Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Chloe. Today we're gonna do another big declutter. I feel like I've just been in this phase recently of getting rid of everything. There's a lot of things that I honestly don't use as often as I would like to, so I just need to get rid of it, give that stuff away. If I don't use it, maybe somebody else will make good use out of it. This is kind of gonna be a two-parter. I'm going to be going through some palettes and makeup and stuff like that, but I'm also going to be going through some tools and nail polish and things like that. All right, let's just get into it. I'm going to be starting out with my palettes here. These are just palettes that I had somewhere else. Here's all the palettes I'm getting rid of, quite a bit. I just really don't use any of these very much, honestly. I think I'm going to give this one away. I never use these. That's it for that one. I'm going to throw some of these away. Out of all of these, I'm going to save these. Okay, I am going to keep this book and this book alone, and I'll give this one away to friends or family. I definitely need to throw this away. I have a backup one in my drawer. I don't even think I have these lashes anymore. This is everything I am keeping. Now I just need to go clean this out. Time for nail polish. I only ever use regular nail polish anymore, so I will be getting rid of all of the gel nail polish I have, which is really sad because some of these shades I love so much. I just don't use it. So there is no point in keeping it around. So I'm just going to start by pulling all of that out. I'm going to go and combine these. We keep extras down here. I just don't use this shade anymore. I don't think I've ever used this shade. I just don't need two yellows. I will not wear this color on my nails. These I'm throwing away because they are dried out.
this big pile I will hopefully be giving away.
Ugh, I feel so much better getting rid of things. I love decluttering so much. It feels so good. And I would just so much rather these things go to somebody who's gonna get use out of them than they just sit in my room. Of course, anything that's old or dried out or whatever, I'm gonna be tossing, but I am gonna try and rehome as many things as possible. We're trying to be as least wasteful as possible. That is gonna be all for this week's video. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe down below if you haven't already, and leave me a like because it really helps me out. I'll see you guys in the next one.